kinds of hormonal problems can be helped when you just bring a woman back into eating and fasting for her hormonal rhythm. Doesn't matter if she's 25 or 65. If you can teach a woman how to live a life that works with estrogen, works with testosterone, works with progesterone, now you start to see a ton of symptoms change and a ton of conditions change. This is what I saw clinically in my practice. This is what I saw on all my social media. And this is what I'm now seeing in the millions of women that have poured onto my platforms over the last couple of months and have shared their experience. So, a lot of the questions I get are, well, how do I fast like a girl around PCOS? How do I fast like a girl around thyroid health? How do I fast like a girl around infertility? What I want you to know is that the principles of the book will work for all of those things. Here's the challenge. You've got to find your rhythm with it and what is going to work best for you. So even though we're all living in feminine bodies, there is a lot, like your microbiome and my microbiome are completely different. And our genetics are obviously different, but they're pretty similar, believe it or not. And our hormonal needs are absolutely the same, except we have different levels of hormonal depletion. So this conversation is a hard one to start, let me tell you, because it's not as simple as me saying, you should do this, you shouldn't do that. It's really about you getting to understand your hormones and where they're at.